나에게 말해.
Hi everyone. Uh, let me share something cool. Welding the generator base for offshore wind turbines. This thing is huge. Steel plate over 30 millimeters thick, weighing tens of tons, tens of pounds, and the valves have to survive over 25 years in the ocean. Back in the day, welders faced three nightmares. First, zinc plate crack easily, hydrogen cracks. Second, complex shapes warp like crazy. Tolerance is only plus minus 1 millimeters. Third, if you mess up, the repair cost is more as a luxury car. So, what's the fix? Collaborative welding cobots. Here's why I love them. One, they control heat perfectly, like slow, correct cooking, layer by layer, low cracks, low pores. Two, they fight distortion. With laser tracking, they adjust the welder seam in real time. Flanges stay flat, no rework. 3. They are human friendly. Traditional robots are scary, caged, heavy programming. Then cobot? Oh, I can just grab the arm, guide along the seam. It memorizes the path, and we walk side by side, touch it, and it stops. Why? What's the real results? One factory saw first pass quality, weld quality jump from 88% to over 97%. Time cut by 30%. And the welders now sit back, monitoring screens, no more fumes, no more arc flash. And with AI path planning coming, cobots will get even smarter. Offshore wind needs bigger, tougher turbines, and each cobot is like a tireless, steady hand, the real backbone of those gems in the sea. That's my take. Got other tough welding jobs for cobots? Let me know. See ya.